Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Luxury Escapes app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Luxury Escapes is a premium travel booking app designed to give users access to exclusive hotel stays, curated holiday packages, and luxury travel deals at discounted rates. The app offers hand-picked resorts, guided tours, and experiences worldwide, often bundled with extra perks like spa treatments, dining credits, or airport transfers. With flexible booking options, professional travel curation, and limited-time flash sales, Luxury Escapes aims to make high-end travel more affordable and accessible. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app's polished design, easy navigation, and the quality of its deals. The curated packages save time in planning and often provide better value than booking each service separately. Travelers especially highlight the member-only discounts and perks that elevate the overall vacation experience. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users note that availability can be restricted to specific dates or locations, and comparing prices with other booking platforms is sometimes necessary to confirm you're truly getting the best deal. Additionally, while the offers are premium, they may not always suit budget-conscious travelers or those seeking maximum flexibility. In summary, the Luxury Escapes app may be worth using if you want curated travel experiences, exclusive hotel perks, and access to discounted premium vacations. However, if you prefer complete flexibility, budget-friendly options, or like comparing across multiple platforms, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.